Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy. So learning the letters of the alphabet and numbers is an important part of a child's early education. I love providing different opportunities for my son Ram to explore and learn in different fun ways. So here is a dot-to-dot connecting activity which makes learning the alphabets and numbers easy and fun. Then where will you go? Correct. What comes after C? Okay, nice. Z. It's a Z. Also, this activity will help children learn the correct sequence of the letters and numbers too. So here are a few glimpses of how we do this activity. X after X, Y. After Y,
Z.
Z. Correct. तो फिर बोल W.
W X
Y.
Y V.
Two के बाद
3
Okay, 3. What comes after 3?
4
4.
Z. Number 2.
Also, I have updated some of the free printable resources in the description box below. Please do check them out. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. If so, please hit that like button and do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Numbers bol.
7 8 9 10.
Okay.